At ASAP Tickets, your travel experience matters. And if something doesn't go as planned, here's exactly what to do if you have a complaint, and how we'll help. Begin by contacting the travel agent who booked your ticket. They know your booking details and can sometimes resolve smaller matters directly, or connect you with our customer service team for more complex cases. If your issue goes beyond what your agent can handle, for example, an issue with refunds and cancellations, our customer service team is here to step in. You can call, email, or fill out our online complaint form at the ASAP Tickets website. That way, your case reaches our team directly, not platforms that collect complaints but cannot resolve them. When filling out the form, include your PNR number so we can locate your booking faster, and provide accurate details of your complaint. The more precise the information, the quicker we can assist. Once submitted, our team begins working on your case. We'll make sure your problem or concern is addressed and keep you informed throughout the process. Travel can be unpredictable, but you can count on us to be transparent, responsive, and by your side whenever challenges come up. You'll also find all our customer service contact details and the direct link to the complaint form right below in the description of this video. ASAP Tickets. We're here for your journey.